Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by shutting down, unplugging power and peripherals, then remove cases that give access to the touchscreen area. This prevents stray input sources. Once done, clean the panel gently with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl. Dirt can cause false touches. Next, boot into BIOS or safe mode to test hardware independent of the OS so you can determine whether this is a driver problem versus a physical or grounding issue. You should open Device Manager, find the HID-compliant touch device, and disable then re-enable it to reset state. This often clears glitches. If that fails, uninstall the driver and restart so the system reinstalls a clean copy. You want to remove corrupt configurations. After reboot, run the touchscreen calibration utility and install Windows Update or manufacturer firmware patches, because updated drivers and calibration align touch coordinates and reduce ghosting caused by software conflicts. If software routes are exhausted, open the laptop and inspect the digitizer ribbon and connector. You need to reseat or replace a loose or corroded cable because intermittent contact causes random touches. You should also test with the battery removed but charger connected to rule out grounding or battery-induced noise. Finally, once you replace the digitizer or connector, verify behavior. If ghosting persists, seek professional repair and mention your troubleshooting steps to avoid redundant work. One key troubleshooting tip: test with an external grounded metal object nearby to see if electromagnetic interference triggers the ghost touches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.